Welcome to Schedule Zone 1. Monthly video, December 2024. Excavation and transportation. Area 8D, Subzone 4. $90,000 tons of contaminated soil have been excavated in this month. $100,000 tons have been transported to the treatment areas in this month. Mixing works are in progress. Area 8B Subzone 1. Mixing works are in progress. Excavation. 160,000 metric tons have been excavated to the treatment center this month. 3,050,000 metric tons have been excavated to a treatment center cumulative up to December. Transportation. 170,000 metric tons have been transported to treatment center in this month. 3,030,000 metric tons have been transported to treatment center cumulative up to the month of December. Treatment area. Screening, pulverizing, and placing. 140,000 metric tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads in this month. 2,740,000 metric tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads cumulative up to the month of December. Remediation progress. The total soil remediated cumulative up to December is 2,190,000 tons. 2,070,000 tons through bioremediation and 125,000 tons through the soil wash process. 1,980,000 tons in band 1% to 5%. 140,000 tons in band 5% to 7% and 75,000 tons in band 7% to 10%. The following activities and outcomes were observed in the bioremediation process in December. Tilling, irrigation, inoculum addition, and surfactant addition were performed on a total of 49 batches, covering 443,000 tons of soil. A total of 52 soil samples were taken. This consists of 15 baseline samples, 28 IPT samples, and 9 VT samples. RTC achievements: 63,000 tons have achieved the RTC through bioremediation in December. 2,070,000 tons of contaminated soil have been completely remediated through bioremediation cumulative up to the month of December. The following is the breakdown as per TPH. 1,980,000 tons of contaminated soil with TPH from 1% to 5%. 70,000 tons of contaminated soil with TPH from 5% to 7%. 7,500 tons of contaminated soil through a train of technologies with TPH from 5% to 7%. 7,300 tons of contaminated soil through the train of technologies with TPH from 7% to 10%. The soil washing plant. 1 baseline samples were collected. 2 treatment verification samples were collected. The soil washing plant operated for a total of 376 hours, averaging 41 tons per hour and 14 hours of daily operation. 12,000 tons have achieved the RTC through soil washing in December. Overall, 125,000 tons of contaminated soil have been completely remediated through the soil washing plant. Landfill. Landfill infilling process. 415,365 metric tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by Lamor with a total of 9,372 trips. (316,180 metric tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by South with a total of 6,348 trips. A total of 731,545 metric tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill with a total of 15,720 trips.